In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix new comments missing problem on Instagram. Let's get started. First up, navigate towards the comment section. Pull down to refresh comments. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Next up, first close the Instagram app, then relaunch it. With this, your problem might be fixed. Next, check for app update. Navigate to App Store or Play Store. Then search for the app Instagram. Once app appears, if you see the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next up, launch Instagram and navigate towards the post. Now head over to the comment section. Click on three dots. Click on the option view hidden comments if available. Check if filters like offensive words are enabled. In case those are enabled, disable it. Next, navigate to the profile page. Click on three bars. Now scroll down and head over to the option help. Click on the option report a problem. Click on report problem without checking. Click on don't include and continue. Now here you'll need to describe about the issue that comments are not loading in your post and send it. With that, Instagram support team will get back to you. And that's it. By following these steps, your Instagram new comments will appear. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.